ladies and gentlemen, so the second example, here's our y-intercept, 0, negative 42. Yet again, that's our b value. Our slope, so as we come and we subtract negative 37, subtract negative 42, we get a positive 5. So that's telling us that the values are increasing by that amount. And as we subtract, we get 5. And as we subtract, we get 5. So on this side, notice that we're counting by 1, increasing by 1 each step of the way. So now we have 5 divided by 1, we get 5. So we have the components. So we have our slope, which is our m, and our y-intercept, which gives us the b value. Okay, so what does this look like? So we could get y equals 5x, and sometimes we're inclined to write plus negative 42, but really plus negative 42, we could simplify it and write it as 5x subtract 42. Remember what a positive times a negative is, and that's where my subtraction symbol comes from. I can change the order of this, and it's easier to see here that the negative 42 moves up here, and that guy moves there, so we get negative 42 plus 5x. Okay, so now it's time to step it up. So we were given a nice, easy counting by ones. We were given the y-intercept. Now we have to determine if it's linear. And after we know that, then write the equation. What I want you to notice, we're missing the y-intercept here. So can't say anything about that yet. What we can start to do is find the differences here. So what's 11.5 minus 6.5? And what does this give me? 5. If I subtract there, I get 5 again. And if I subtract here, I get 5 one more time. But the other side's a little different. So this side increased by 2. And so our slope would be 5 divided by 2, which is 5 halves. Or I can write it as the decimal, like 2.5. What do I want to stress? Why is the slope so important? The reason that you simplify the slope is it's kind of like this. It's the same as 2.5 over 1. So we want to work backwards. So here, this is telling us that we're adding 5 for every 2. So we want to work backwards. So how do we get here? So we need to go one jump back. So we're going to take 6.5, and we're going to take away the 2.5. Why? Our slope was a positive 2.5. That said that we were adding that much every time. So to work backwards, I got to take away, and we get 4. So now, we know our y-intercept. Okay, and now at this point, I can write our equation. So we get y equals mx plus b, so 2.5x plus that b value, which is 4. Or y equals 4 plus 2.5x.